You wake up, your feet are ice cold. Your legs feel like concrete. You move slower than you used to, and somewhere deep down, you've started accepting it. Don't, because what's happening inside your arteries is reversible, and today I'll show you exactly how. But before I reveal the 8 drinks that can start warming your legs within hours, I need to tell you something your doctor has probably never mentioned. Something about what's actually happening inside your blood vessels right now. Because once you understand it, everything changes. Stay with me, because drink number 1, the most powerful one, is something most seniors throw away every single morning without knowing what they're losing. Most people over 60 assume cold feet and heavy legs are just part of getting older. They slow down, they sit more. They cover their feet with blankets every evening and call it normal. But here's what's actually happening beneath the surface. Your arteries, the ones running down through your hips, thighs, calves, all the way to your toes, have an inner lining called the endothelium. When you were younger, this lining was smooth, flexible, and constantly producing a molecule called nitric oxide. That molecule told your arteries to relax and open wide, allowing warm, oxygen-rich blood to flow freely all the way down to your feet. But after 60, nitric oxide production drops by nearly 50%. The lining becomes sluggish, your arteries stay tight. Blood moves slower, thicker, like syrup instead of water, and everything below your knees begins quietly starving for oxygen. That's not aging, that's a biological problem, with a biological solution. And I've seen it reversed in hundreds of patients, not with expensive medications, not with complicated procedures, with something far simpler. But first, I need to show you the 3 reasons this happens, because if you skip this part, the drinks alone won't be enough. The real cause, in just a moment. But first, there's something happening in your kitchen every single morning that could be making this dramatically worse. And I'll tell you exactly what it is when we get to drink number 7. As a doctor, I've spent years studying why circulation collapses so specifically after 60. And it comes down to 3 root causes that almost no one talks about. Root cause number 1, endothelial fatigue. The inner lining of your arteries, the endothelium, is not just a passive tube. It's a living, active organ. It produces nitric oxide on demand to relax vessel walls and keep blood flowing smoothly. But decades of inflammation, processed foods, stress, and inactivity cause this lining to become exhausted. It stops responding. It stops producing. And without that signal, your arteries default to their tightest, most constricted state. That's why your legs feel stiff the moment you stand up in the morning. Root cause number 2, microcirculation collapse. People focus on large arteries, but the real crisis happens in the tiny capillaries deep inside your calf muscles, your ankles, your toes. These microscopic vessels are where oxygen actually exchanges into tissue. When they get clogged with microinflammation and oxidative damage, even a strong heartbeat can't push blood through. Your feet feel cold, not because your heart is weak, but because the final delivery network has broken down. Root cause number 3, chronic dehydration. This one surprises most of my patients. Seniors naturally reduce fluid intake, often to avoid frequent bathroom trips. But even mild dehydration thickens your blood. Thicker blood moves slower. Slower blood means less oxygen reaching your legs, your nerves, your joints. And here's what makes it worse. Thick blood damages that endothelial lining even further, accelerating cause number 1 all over again. Now, step 3 is the one almost every senior skips, and it is the most important. I'll show you exactly how to reverse it inside the solution section. Because the drink that addresses all 3 causes simultaneously is the one that surprised even me when I first saw the research. Now let's get to the 8 drinks, in order from good to extraordinary. Drink number 8, warm lemon water, every morning before anything else. 1 cup of warm water with half a lemon squeezed in. This does 3 things simultaneously. It hydrates your blood immediately, thinning it for better flow. The vitamin C protects the enzyme that produces nitric oxide. And the warmth itself causes mild vasodilation. Your vessels open slightly within minutes. Seniors who do this consistently report their toes feel warmer after breakfast within the first week. It costs almost nothing, and it takes 30 seconds. Drink number 7, fresh ginger tea. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, a natural warming agent that mildly thins the blood and improves microcirculation in the tiny capillaries of your feet and calves. In clinical comparisons, ginger performs similarly to low-dose aspirin for promoting flow, without the bleeding risk when used moderately. Brew it fresh. 1 teaspoon of grated ginger in hot water. Steep 5 minutes. Sip slowly. You'll feel a gentle flush traveling down your legs. That's circulation waking up. Drink number 6. Beetroot juice. This is where things get serious. Beets are the single richest source of dietary nitrates known to science. Your body converts those nitrates into nitric oxide, bypassing the age-related decline in endothelial production entirely. A controlled British study found that seniors who drank 1 glass of beet juice daily improved their walking distance by 17% in just 2 weeks. Critical note: the beet must be raw or lightly blended. Cooking destroys the nitrates completely. If the earthy taste is too strong, blend it with a small apple or carrot. Drink number 5. Pure pomegranate juice. Pomegranate is rich in polyphenols, antioxidants that protect your artery walls from the oxidative damage that destroys nitric oxide before it can work. Think of it as a shield around your circulation gains. Research showed participants drinking half a cup daily had 30% better blood flow response after 3 months. Choose pure juice only, not commercial blends loaded with sugar, which inflame vessels and cancel every benefit. Drink number 4, green tea. Most people know green tea for antioxidants. What they don't know is that its active compound, EGCG, activates the same biological pathway as gentle aerobic exercise inside your vessel walls. It makes arteries more elastic throughout the day. 1 cup in the morning and 1 in the afternoon maintains that flexibility continuously. Seniors who replace afternoon coffee with green tea often report their legs feel noticeably less heavy by evening. Think of it as internal stretching for your arteries. Drink number 3. Tart cherry juice. Cherries contain anthocyanins, pigments that calm inflammation deep inside artery walls and reduce uric acid, which stiffens vessels over time. But the timing of this one matters. Drink it before bed. Tart cherry also naturally boosts melatonin, improving sleep quality. Better sleep means lower nighttime blood pressure spikes, and that's when your arteries do their deepest repair work. Within 2 weeks, many of my patients report their nighttime leg cramps disappear entirely. Drink number 2, real cocoa drink. Not sugary hot chocolate powder. Real unsweetened cocoa contains flavonols that directly stimulate nitric oxide production inside vessel linings. In one landmark trial, older adults drinking high flavonol cocoa showed a measurable increase in walking speed within a single month. The effect doubles when paired with light movement afterward, because muscle contraction amplifies nitric oxide release. Mix unsweetened cocoa with hot water and your choice of milk. It feels indulgent, it acts like medicine. And drink number 1, the one that widened arteries by 30% in laboratory conditions, beet-pomegranate fusion. When dietary nitrates from beet combine with the polyphenols of pomegranate, the effect is synergistic. Nitric oxide generation skyrockets. The polyphenols protect the nitric oxide from breaking down too quickly, so it stays active in your bloodstream far longer. Doctors tested this combination specifically in adults over 60, and within 2 hours, blood flow velocity increased dramatically. Within an hour, you may feel warmth returning to feet that have been cold for years. Now, before I wrap up, there is one thing I have never shared publicly before, a daily timing sequence that makes all 8 drinks work together as a system, not just individually. Morning, warm lemon water to awaken vessels. Mid-morning, ginger tea for warmth and microcirculation. With lunch, a small glass of raw beet juice. Afternoon, green tea instead of coffee. Evening, cocoa or tart cherry to relax and repair overnight. That sequence keeps nitric oxide levels stable across the entire day. You're not just sipping drinks, you're running a continuous circulation protocol. Let me leave you with this. After 60, your arteries are not broken. They are under-supported. The same vessels that feel tight and sluggish today can begin to open, soften, and deliver again if you give them the right signals consistently. Nitric oxide is the signal. These 8 drinks are how you rebuild it daily. Start tomorrow morning. Before you pick up your phone, pour yourself warm lemon water. That single habit, done every day, begins retraining your vessels to stay relaxed instead of constricted. Add 1 drink per week. By the end of the month, you'll have a full circulation system working for you from morning to night. And the results won't just be warmer feet, they'll be sharper thinking, because the same arteries that feed your legs also feed your brain.